Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 561, and today I am going to discuss about cashew nut, and this cashew nut is oil bearing nut and it is very good for our nervous system, means to keep our nerve cell healthy. And nowadays you might be hearing the news about the COVID-19 disease, where they are saying that once people they get this disease, they first lose their snuffing power, means smell and taste. And it shows that this COVID-19 disease is destroying our nervous system, nerve cells. So in these circumstances, we have to keep our nervous system healthy, and the best option is to take such type of plant, fruit and vegetables which can maintain the nervous system. So first I have already discussed you about the dry nut, that is your almond, and then walnut. They are oil bearing, they are very rich in omega 3, and they are very good to maintain our nervous system, our nerve cells, mental fatigue, our mental stress. And this cashew nut is also one of the dry fruit which is very good for our nervous system. The reason is that first, as usual, all the nuts they are very rich in omega 3. Omega 3 means polyhydroxy, polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is called omega 3. Omega is a position, and this polyunsaturated fatty acids are very important for our nerve cell, because they are responsible of keeping these molecules which are responsible of nerve impulse and neuron cells. So they are working as a transmission molecules. So these polyunsaturated fatty acids, one is called omega 3, plays very important role. Second, cashew nut is rich in magnesium, and magnesium is one of the mineral which plays very important role in keeping your nervous system healthy. And not only that, if suppose somebody is having the problem of nerve, means nervousness, very easily he is nervous, he is impulsive, that indicates that he is having the deficiency of magnesium. So if you are taking enough cashew nut, at least your deficiency of magnesium will be removed, and you will not suffer from nervousness, impulsive behavior. Second very important role of magnesium in our body is that it will protect you from muscular spasm and then cramping of the muscles. If you have the tendency or symptom of cramping of muscles or muscles spasm, twisting of muscles, it means there is deficiency of magnesium, and also you are not getting enough omega 3. In that circumstances, better take some fruits and vegetables which are rich in omega 3 and magnesium. The other minerals which are present in cashew nut, that is very important one, is copper and iron. Copper and iron, they play important role in the sense that if somebody is anemic means where the red blood cell count is less, and if RBC, red blood cells, are less, means it will not carry enough oxygen. So in that case, if iron rich fruit or vegetable is taken, it will enhance the percentage of iron, and your anemic condition will be reduced. So due to the presence of copper and iron, it plays important role to reduce the anemia. And thirdly, cashew nut is also very important for our cardiovascular system. That is, it can maintain your healthy heart. The reason is that the same, it is very rich in polyunsaturated fatty acid, and that polyunsaturated fatty acid is called alpha linoleic acid. Any fruit or vegetable or any animal product, if I say natural product are two types, one is plant based, one is animal based, and here I am mainly taking plant based. Otherwise, in animal based also, the deep water fish like tuna, mackerel, tilapia, they are also rich in omega 3, that is polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is called alpha linoleic acid. And these acids, they are very important to increase your good cholesterol, that is called HLD, high density lipoprotein, and it will reduce the percentage of LDL, that is called bad cholesterol. And in this way, the chances of formation of blood clot in your arteries will be drastically reduced. And this one is also, the cashew nut is very important for our skin. It will not allow premature aging of the skin. It will maintain smooth skin, and because of presence of copper, it will keep your hair shining and healthy. So these are the factors. So I have already told you about the cashew nut, and in Nigeria, lot of cashew nut is produced. Actually, one is cashew nut fruit, which is having yellowish red color fruit, and down the fruit there is a kidney shaped small seed is attached, and that seed is actually nut. And if you process it, break it, roast it, and then from inside you will get the mass, that is called cashew nut, and that is very rich in all these minerals and vitamins. So the cashew nut, in Indian language, the cashew nut is called kaju, and the botanical name is Anacardium occidentale, and L is for Lin. Lin means that is authority. It belongs to family Anacardiaceae. It is oil bearing nut. Whenever I am saying any nut, if it is not oil bearing, it is useless. It means it is alkaloidal. It must be oil bearing, means oil is unsaturated, polyunsaturated fatty acid, and that is called alpha linoleic acid, and commonly known as omega 3 fatty acid. If omega 3 fatty acid is not there, it is not oil bearing nut. So the cashew nut is oil bearing nut with a very good taste, and among all nuts, cashew nut, once it is roasted, there are many ways of eating the cashew nut, especially in Indian subcontinent. Either you roast it, or you just take it raw, or you powder it and mix with lot of sweet dishes are there, and so many other preparations like halwa, sweet, everything. So you, and the costliest sweet in India among all sweet is cashew barfi, that is sweet. And the number 2 is, it is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acid, and that polyunsaturated fatty acid is called, that is alpha linoleic acid, and that alpha linoleic acid in books it is referred as ALA. So it's known as omega 3 fatty acid, and this omega 3 fatty acid plays very important role to maintain your healthy heart. The minerals are magnesium, selenium, copper, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, and all these minerals, they play a very important role. For example, magnesium is playing very important role, selenium is playing very important role, copper is playing. So all I have mentioned here. Magnesium is very important in transmission of nerve impulses. If you are having abnormal impulse, if you are becoming impulsive, it shows that there is deficiency of magnesium. Also, if magnesium deficiency is there, it is responsible for nervousness, irritability, if you are feeling irritated, sometimes cramps and spasm of your muscles are twisted and paining, is all because of the deficiency of magnesium. So you should be always taking some oil bearing nuts to cover the deficiency of magnesium. The number 4, the vitamins are, it is rich in vitamin E and B series, that is B6 and B12. Number 5, good for healthy heart because it helps to lower down the bad cholesterol, that is called LDL, that is low density lipoprotein, that is bad cholesterol, and it will enhance the good cholesterol. Number 6, it prevents anemia because of presence of your copper and iron, which is maintaining your red blood cells. Anemia means when the red blood cell count is less, and it is maintained because it is rich in iron and copper, and deficiency of these two minerals could lead to anemia, anemic condition. Number 7, it protects the eye because there is presence of zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin is very important phytochemical in cashew nut, and that is directly absorbed by retina. So it improves the health of your eye. It protects you from night blindness. And then number 8 is cashew nut is good for skin because of the presence of vitamin E, zinc and selenium. So since vitamin E is there, zinc and selenium is very good for your skin, and it will protect from premature aging of your skin. Number 9 is a good source of dietary fiber. It is rich in fiber. Number 10, good for shiny hair due to the presence of copper, and this copper will help to produce more pigments for hair. That's why if you are taking cashew nut, it means you are increasing the presence of copper in your body, and your hair will be healthy. So nowadays I am discussing the fruit and vegetables which are good for our nervous system. So I have discussed already these three uh, dry fruits, that is walnut, cashew nut and almond. Now I am going to take one or two this whole grain seeds for healthy nervous system. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.